Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to another episode of Learn a Skill with me, where each week you get the opportunity to learn a new skill with me. I am your host, Gerard Morris, and I'm excited about today's topic because we are going to be learning about painting. I hope you know your colors because we have Miss Johnson here.
Hi Gerard, hi boys and girls.
Good morning. What will we be doing today?
A painting.
What type of painting will we be doing today?
Today we're doing a natural or nature scenic painting.
Okay, and what are the items necessary to get this type of painting done?
Well, today we will need a blank canvas, paint brushes, cups or any bowls to put water in, paints and paper towels for any little mess.
Well, let's get started.
Once we're finished, we're going to get a fine tip and we're going to add some yellow. And we're just coming at the side to make a little highlight. So we're just bringing it down like that. So now what we're going to add to the painting, we're going to add some rocks. So already to my palette, I already have white. Now we're going to add some rocks to the painting. I have some white and black here. We're going to mix it together to get a gray color to make rocks. Using our fine tip still, we're going to just mix together to get a nice, not too dark of a gray, we want a light gray. Now we're going to find the center between the water and our background, which will be like about here. And we're going to make a little rock. Now it doesn't have to be perfect because rocks are not perfect. Here you can use your imagination however you want to do it. You want to do a small rock, you want to do a big rock. This is where your creativity will come in. Now that we have finished our rock and it's completely dried, what we are going to do, we're going to add some shadowing at the bottom. So we're going to mix a little bit of gray, that same gray from the rock and to the black. So you want it a little darker than our rock color. That will give us the shadow effect. So same fine tip, we come in very light at the bottom. We're going to pull. And just pull a little bit at the front. That's it. You can also add some little shadows along in the water. Again, this is where your creativity will come in. Little shadows under the branches. Right? You could add a little shadow on the rocks. So now comes the fun part. We are going to add a butterfly to our painting. Now don't be scared. It's very easy. We're going to add a butterfly. So we're going to do the base, which is the body of the butterfly. So we're going to get some black. And we're just going to do a little body on the rock. So we're going to use our fine tip brush still. I'll just turn it at an angle so it can be easy for me. Very gently make some small strokes. It must look like a little seed. You're going to do 1, 2. That's it. So you're going to make like 2 little seeds to make the body. From here, going to add the blue to make the wings. We're still using our fine brush. We're going to come. Going to make our wings. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You can also always practice to get it where you want. And we're going to fill it in. Fill in the wings. Right. Now we're going to do the bottom wing. So you're going to come right at the side. Right, so now that our wings are dry, you can touch it to make sure it's dry. We're going to add a little details at the side of the wings, which is right at the edge. We're going to take the black and just outline it to differentiate the two wings. So we take a little black fine tip brush again. Take your time and start from the tip, come down, around, and back up. Now we're going to repeat for the second wing at this side here. We're going to come around to the edge and finish. So we're going to add a little bit of white. Just to give it a little details. Now you can do whatever it is you want to do. You can put some dots, you can make a nice little abstract, whatever you feel comfortable doing. This is where the creativity comes in. So I'm adding a little streak and I'm going to do some little dots. I'm going to do 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do some at the black on top of the black. Again, it's all up to you. You don't have to use white. You can add another color. We have some yellows. We could add a little yellow in it. This is where the creativity comes in. Whatever you want to do with your butterfly, you can add it in. Now we're going to do some antennas. So come to the front. And just make a little bulb at the end. On another one. So at this point, we're going to add the last wing that is on the opposite side right here. We're going to put 2 more wings and that should finish our painting. So we're going back again. We're using our fine tip brush, going back into the blue. Now we're not going to draw a whole wing. We're just going to draw it just at the side where we come up, down, and we just fill it in. Just be careful if you want to flip it so that it can be a little more easier for you. Just turn the painting very carefully. Come in and add our color. That's one, and we're going to make the other wing to the bottom. So we're going to start from right here. And that's it. Carefully come around. Now, if you made a little mistake like I did, all you can do, you come, take another brush, take a little bit of black, and you can fix it. The good thing about paint, we can always fix as we go along. So we just fixed it, and finish. So while we wait for it to dry, we will add our last line. We're going to add our dots. You could paint it however you want, so it should have that look. Something in it here. So this is how it should look when we finish add the second wing. And we'll come in and we'll add the black just as is and the little dots. And that's it. So we just add our lines. Now let's add a little white. And that's it. So the very, very, very last step, we're gonna sign our painting. So you can write your name, you can write your first letters, initials, anything that you wanna do. So we come either corner.
Wow, this painting is so beautiful. It came out better than I expected. I enjoyed myself while creating this art. Ms. Johnson, please let's review the steps.
So we will prepare our canvas, prepare our paints, create your design, allow it to dry, and that's it.
So Ms. Johnson, what are the careers kids can get into using these skills?
You can become an artist where you can create your own paintings to hang in galleries. You can become a painter where you can paint houses, homes, or even your own rooms. Make sure and ask for permission. Or animator where you can animate characters such as
Roblox or Fortnite. Also, there are many other careers you can get into utilizing these skills. We would like to see your creation, so you can tell mom or dad to take a picture or a video and send it to us via our social media pages. So thank you, Ms. Johnson, for being here with us today to show us these skills.
Thank you, Jared. Thank you for having me. Kids, also remember, continue painting and be inspired.
Wonderful. Remember, boys and girls, to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you will know when we upload a new video. Until next time on Learn a Skill with me, bye.
Bye.